Mumbai-Ahmedabad bullet train, India's high-speed rail set for 2026 launch. Bengaluru is gearing up to manufacture India's first bullet train, marking a significant milestone. BIML is spearheading the production of these high-speed trains, showcasing India's engineering prowess. This project aims to revolutionize travel between Mumbai and Ahmedabad, reducing journey times significantly. The bullet train initiative reflects India's commitment to modernizing its transportation infrastructure. Expected to launch in 2026, this train will enhance connectivity and boost economic development. Stay tuned for more updates on India's transportation revolution.